What's up, guys? So the question is, you want to get into woodworking, but you're not really sure how to, or you don't want to break the bank spending money on tools you don't really need. Well, today I'm going to give you 5 tools, essential tools that you're going to need, plus one bonus tip if you stick to the end. Also, these first 3 tools I'm going to give you, you can get started woodworking for under $300. With the holidays quickly approaching, you're going to want to develop a game plan on what tools you're going to want to buy, what money you're going to want to save with these upcoming deals. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so sales are something I'm emphasizing a lot in this video because that's how you save a lot of money really quick. And the first tool right here is I'm going to show you an example of. So first thing we're going to start off with is the drill and driver combo. So you're going to want to pick up a nice drill and driver combo like this one from Dewalt here. Now, there are some alternatives, but I would suggest drills and drivers for a woodworker are something you'll be using on a daily basis, no matter if you're DIY or you're a pro. So investing in a high quality brand such as DeWalt, Milwaukee would be my suggestion. Now, there are some alternative brands such as Rigid and Craftsman that are coming up with really cool things, as well as Ryobi. Ryobi has a huge line of tools, all with their batteries. So, you really couldn't go wrong anywhere. However, I would suggest going with a higher end brand. This kit from DeWalt here was originally $230. However, I got it on sale for $150. So with that deal, I already saved $80 right off the bat, and you can get a good drill and driver to drive in those screws. Also, in this video, I'll be dropping some beginner-friendly projects for you guys to build with your new tools. This first one is right here. It's the drill driver and battery storage solution on your wall. And you're really going to want to invest in something like this for storage, especially when you start accumulating tools. So this video is actually the first video on my channel, and I'll link it up above. It's super beginner friendly, super simple to make, and it should be one of your first projects you do. So let's go on to the next tool. Okay guys, the second item on this list is going to be some type of sander. In this case, I'm going to have my DA sander fitting that role here. So this is DA sander here from Craftsman. I got for $54 from $59. So I got $5 off. I got that on the little D right there. So I saved $5 additional there. And this is really going to do great on getting all your projects smooth. And honestly, it's given me no problem for it just being a Craftsman brand. It's not a high-end brand like Milwaukee or DeWalt. It does a great job. The third tool on this list is a Ryobi circular saw. It doesn't have to be Ryobi. That's just the brand I chose because it was the cheapest option. And you can make amazing projects such as this one right here. It's a cool planter holder here that you can put outdoors, indoors, or whatever. It's one of the first projects that I sold. And you know what? I made a lot of money off of that. Sold a bunch of them, and it was a really cool little gig for a while. All you do is do some cross cuts, and that was pretty much it. So just like that, you have a complete kit here to start your woodworking journey. Now, I would suggest on a circular saw upgrading the blade, but for a very long time, probably over a year, I had a stock blade on, and it cut just fine. I upgraded it recently once they had a cool deal, but definitely look out for saw blade deals around the holidays, as well as circular saw deals, and maybe go with a brand like that. Thanks for barking in my video, dog. Okay guys, the fourth item on this list is Air Compressor Kit. That includes these 3 nail guns here. So the nail guns that come with the kit are a finish nailer, a brad nailer, and a pin nailer. Now, why do I go with an air compressor kit? So this air compressor allows a lot of versatility within your business here. You're allowed to do nail guns, staple guns, things like that, but you're also allowed to do a lot of spraying and painting. So while this is on the smaller side of air compressors, it does get the job done, and I have been using it to spray lacquer and things like that on smaller projects such as signs. So this kit normally goes for $2.99, but during the Black Friday sales, it goes on sale for $1.99. So I'm saving $100 right here with this kit, and I know for a fact that it's going to be on sale this holiday season. So that's why I picked this one here at my number 4 spot. And with this addition, all 4 of these items here you can get for under $500. So that's a great, if you want to spend $500 and get the essentials, if you're barely starting out, this is a great option for you guys. Let's get on to the next one. Okay guys, here it is. The final tool in this list here is going to be the table saw. Yes, I have the table saw in here. The table saw, this one here is Kobalt, and it retails for $350. Why do you need a table saw first off? So table saw rips wood down into select widths. Now why do they go with this one in particular over maybe the Dewalt one? It's the same price, but why did I go with this one? So the first reason why I went with this one is because of the fence. The fence extends out to 30 inches, so that's one of the bigger sizes, rip capacity sizes of the job site table saws. This is a 10-inch table saw here, and the real main reason, the main seller, is because I'm working out of my garage, so this needs to be mobile. The Dewalt one isn't as mobile, it doesn't come with a base, and the base that you do buy with it, that's an additional couple $100. This one's $350 and it has a mobile base built into it, and so I'm able to put my foot pedal down and this can fold up and store away nice and neatly, which is one of the reasons why I went with this brand. You really have to consider what environment you're going to be in. Are you going to be in somewhere where you're able to leave the table saw stationary in one central location, or do you need to move this around? In my case, I need to move it around, and so that's why I went with one with a built-in mobile movable base solution. So every garage workshop really needs a mobile workbench. This is what I have built right here. Now this is also a pretty beginner friendly project, and all the tools I have listed are tools that you would use in building this project here. So you know what, if you guys want to go check out that video, I'll leave the card up there, and this would be another great beginner build that all of you guys can tackle with the tools I've given you so far. Okay guys, the bonus item on this list here is going to be the shop vac. In particular, I have a 12-gallon rigid shop vac. Now, often with building a workshop or something like that, dust collection is often overlooked, and you end up making an awesome project, and at the end of the day, you go and you clean up with what? A broom and a brush, and you're sweeping and dust is kind of coming up. A shop vac helps eliminate all that. You can also plug that in with your table saw. So this comes with a 2-inch diameter port, and it plugs right into that table saw. And if you have a miter saw in the future, this can plug in right to that as well. So shop vac's really versatile. This one we got for $80 here. This does go on sale for the holidays as well, so I would look out for something like that as well. So shop vac comes with a lot of attachments and add-ons, things that already comes with, and then things that you can buy extra. Also, you can buy things such as an automotive kit, things like that if you want to clean your car. There's a little bit extras there. It also has the ability to have a noise dampener put on it if you need to be quieter in a quiet area. But the rigid shop vac does have a lot of options for you, so that's why I went with this one, just because I'm working out of my shop and I need this thing to be mobile to move in and out when I'm working. Okay guys, now that we have gone through our list, let's recap here some brands and some prices here. So our first one here on the list was our Dewalt drill and driver, and we got that for $150 and we saved $80 from the original price. The second tool on this list is our Craftsman Sander. That one we got for $54. We saved $5 there from its original price of $59. The third item on this list was this Ryobi circular saw. We got that for $80, and that's with the laser kit. If you guys wanted to get just a tool, it'd be even cheaper than that. And those three tools add up to under $300, and that's a perfect for those of you in budget. On a budget option, go for those three tools right there under $300. Now, if you're maybe in an intermediate budget, you add the fourth option here, which is our air compressor. Our 6-gallon air compressor kit with our 3 guns, our 3 nail guns here are our 16-gauge finish nailer, 18-gauge brad nailer, and our 23-gauge pin nailer. Now, if you want a full setup for under $1,000 here, we're going to add in our table saw. That's going to be our Kobalt 10-inch table saw, and it's going to have that folding stand included, and it's built all in one here. If you guys live in a scenario where you have to store some tools away, that'd be a great option for you guys. Now, if you want to add in the bonus tool, still keeping it under $1,000 here, that's going to be that shop vac. That shop vac's $80 from Rigid, and it's a 12-gallon shop vac. There's a lot of accessories that you can buy with it, both for cleaning up and for some noise dampening. So that full kit here is something that I hope there's options for everybody here. I try to add in some beginner projects for those of you who truly are just barely starting out and don't know what to build. So I have videos for those, and they've linked those up in the cards and down in the description below. With the holidays quick approaching, you want to have a game plan on what tools you want and what deals to look out for. And so I hope this video gave you a good idea of where you want to go with your business or your hobby and what tools you want to look out for and get for the holidays. So look out for those tool deals and make sure to stay updated with the channel. I'll try to post some tool deals as we get closer to the holiday. You guys, hope you enjoyed the content. Some holiday builds to come as we get close to projects around the holidays to sell. You guys are going to want to start looking now and start building up some inventory, especially with November fast approaching. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.